Hello everyone, my name is Nicholas Borg, and today I'll be going over my design justification for my infographic. The first design choice I decided to focus on was the visual hierarchy of my system. This is shown by how the viewer's attention is directly drawn to the 16.8 value right here in the middle. This dictates the primary focus of this paper, which 16.8 veterans on average died every day back in 2017. This is then supported by my isotype graph here in the top right. This isotype graph, while also serving as a subpoint, also helps invoke the feeling of similarity since I used people to represent the number of veterans that were dying per day, with a roughly one-to-one relationship. This is then followed up by the three other subpoints, which include the suicide rates among active duty personnel from 2016 to 2018, total suicide deaths from 2010 to 2017, and the military suicide deaths in the reserves from 2016 to 2018. The final thing I focused on for this infographic was proximity. Everything flows in this kind of counterclockwise measure, where you'll start with this primary value in the center, move to this isotopic graph so you'll be able to visualize and see how the data interacts with everything. Then you will be slowly moved around to the harder data, which gives the reader a kind of a sense of a slow escalation, not overwhelming the reader all at once. The second design choice I chose to make was my color scheme. I chose to go with a very stale monochromatic color scheme, focusing for my background with only black and gray. This gave it a more cleaner feel, although it could be improved in future iterations. Well, that wraps up my justification for my infographic. If you have any suggestions on how I might improve my design, please let me know. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.